Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the allowable equipment of a campground on the Recreation.gov application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the Explore button down below, which is the first option at the bottom of the page. Then you should scroll down to the Camping and Day Use section. Select a campground you are interested in. Then scroll down again and select a campsite. Now scroll down again till you find the allowable equipment section. Tap on it. And here you can see the allowable equipment, in this case tent and small tent, but it might vary in different sites, as you can see. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.